In today's morning rounds, one suburban community's desperate measures to limit the spread of measles. A state of emergency went into effect overnight in Rockland County, New York. It bans unvaccinated children from most public places. 153 people have been infected by measles in the county since last October. 48 of those infections occurred this year. Nikki Battiste is in West Nyack, Rockland County, with how officials hope the controversial ban will contain the disease. Nikki, good morning.
Good morning. Starting today, the shopping mall behind me is one of several public places that Rockland County will not allow unvaccinated minors to enter. The outbreak here is concentrated in the Orthodox Jewish community, and the county is now telling parents either get your children vaccinated or keep them home.
My goal is to have this measles officially eradicated again in 2019.
Rockland County Executive Ed Day says he is determined to end the worst measles outbreak in the country. His emergency order went into effect at midnight, banning unvaccinated children under the age of 18 from entering public places, including schools, shopping malls, restaurants, and houses of worship. It does not apply to outdoor spaces. Is this more of a scare tactic, or are you expecting to actually prosecute people?
We are not expecting to prosecute anybody. It is an attention grabber. I wouldn't call it a scare tactic. We're looking to get people to understand the severity of what we're facing.
Rockland County is facing the state's longest measles outbreak since the disease was officially eradicated in 2000. Day says more than a quarter of children 1 to 18 years old in Rockland County are unvaccinated.
We are still getting people infected. Exposures are still happening, in some cases increasing. And we're meeting resistance in trying to solve it.
Measles is highly, highly contagious.
Our Dr. John LaPook says that about 90% of people who are not vaccinated will come down with the measles if they are exposed to it.
The kicker is that people can actually be contagious for about 4 days before they come down with the rash. They can be running around spreading it to other people without even knowing they have the measles.
The disease has been spreading rapidly nationwide. There are 333 confirmed cases of the measles across 15 states so far this year, nearly surpassing last year's total already. And just yesterday, health officials in Silicon Valley issued a warning that an international traveler may have exposed thousands of people there to the disease. Ed Day says the decision to announce his county's ban was an easy one.
The best interest of the people of Rockland County is to attack this disease with every tool at our disposal.
Critics of the ban say it infringes on civil liberties and could be unconstitutional. It will last for 30 days or until parents decide to get their child a measles vaccine, which is at least 93% effective. Any parent of an unvaccinated child who violates the ban could face up to a $500 fine or up to 6 months in jail. Bianna?
Well, it's definitely an attention grabber, as he had said. This is a really frustrating story to cover. Nikki, thank you.